question. Question number 6. Write the following polynomials in standard form. What is mean by standard form? If the terms of the polynomials are written in descending powers of x, then such a type of the form is called it as a standard form of the polynomial. Now what you have to do? You have to write down the power of the variable x in a descending order. Now here I can write it as the standard form of above polynomial is m cube plus 5m plus 3. Okay. After 3, 1 is there. Then m raised to 0. Okay. Now see in the second example. Now we will see first the highest power. Now in this polynomial the highest power is 5. So I will start with the first we will write down which is the highest power of that variable starting from this one. Now in the given polynomial this first, and when you are writing the terms don't change the sign of that term. You have to write down the terms with their signs. Okay, don't change the sign. Okay, because we are rearranging the terms when you are writing in the standard form. Now here the highest power of this variable is 5. So I will write down it as y raised to 5. Then after 5, 4 plus 2y raised to 4. Then cubic term. Then 3y cube. Then square term minus y square minus 7y minus half. Okay. So in both the example we are writing the standard form of the polynomial. Understood? Now next question. Question number 7. Write the following polynomials in coefficient form. Now see here, when you are writing the coefficient form, you have to write down that particular polynomial first in the index form. Okay, after writing the index form, you can easily write the coefficient form. It is not the compulsion, because when I am telling you have to write down first index form. What is mean by index form? We are writing the coefficient of the variable by considering all the missing terms. Okay, all the missing terms in the standard form of the polynomial. Then this form is called it as a index form of the variable, because we are adding all the missing terms. And when you are writing the coefficient form, at that time that missing terms are very, very important. So when you are writing the coefficient form, first you will write down the index form of that particular polynomial. Understood? So first I will write down the index form. Now in the index form, what you will write down? In the index form, we will write all the missing terms. Okay. Now here x cube. So I will write 1x cube, because we want now focusing on the coefficient. So if no coefficient is there, you will write it as a 1. Okay. Now the square term is absent. So how to write it as plus 0x square. X term is also absent because only last term is constant. Yes, plus 0x and then minus 2. After writing the index form only, you will get 100% accurate the coefficient form. Okay, no mistake will happen when you are writing it in the coefficient form. Now I will write down the coefficient form. What is the coefficient form then? Coefficient form is expressed in terms of the round bracket, and we are writing all the coefficient with their sign with separated by commas. Okay. Now, yes, the sequence of that coefficient is very, very important. Don't interchange the sequence also. Now this polynomial, first this is the standard form of the polynomial. Before writing the coefficient form, we will write the index form of the given polynomial. Index form, we are writing all the missing terms which are included in the polynomial. Okay. Now coefficient form. So what is the coefficient form? 1, comma 0, comma 0, comma minus 2. So what is the coefficient form of the given polynomial? In the round bracket, 1, comma 0, comma 0, comma minus 2. Okay. Come on the next topic. Next is a 5y. So 5y means y raised to 1. So what is the index form? Index form will be 5y raised to y plus 0. 0y raised to 0, like this way. Okay. So now I will write down the coefficient form. What is the coefficient form? Round bracket. Write down the coefficient 5, comma 0, 1, 2. Now here 2 minus 1, you are getting the power of that particular variable is 1. Okay. Then next one. 2m raised to 4 minus 3m square plus 7. First I will write down the index form. What is the index form? 2m raised to 4. Now here cubic term is absent. So what I am writing? Plus 0m cube minus 0m cube minus 3m square. Now here m term is also absent. So I am writing plus 0m plus 7 as it is. So what is the coefficient form then? Coefficient form, round bracket. Now write down the coefficient 2, comma 0. Here minus 3 is there. Then 0, then 7. Okay. This is the coefficient form of the given polynomial. Next one. For constant polynomial, here no need to write. See, sometimes the given polynomial is already given in the index form. Means all the terms are present in the polynomial. Then in that case, don't write the index form. Directly you can write the coefficient form. Okay. Here why we are writing the index form in each and every example? Because somewhere the missing terms are there. If in the polynomial no missing terms are there, all the terms are present in the polynomial, of course in the descending order of the variable. Okay. Descending order of the degree of the variable. Whichever it is there, you can continue. But it is not the compulsion. For each and every polynomial, the index form is important. Understood? When the index form is important, when there is some missing terms are there, at that time, the index form is important. If the given polynomial is already given, all the terms are present in that polynomial, then don't write the given polynomial in the index form. Now see here, the constant polynomial is there. So it is no need to write the index form because only one term is there, which is a constant one. So you are getting only one coefficient. Now see here. So here in this case, I am writing directly the coefficient form. Coefficient form will be, now here anything raised to 0 is always 1. So what will be the coefficient? The coefficient form will be, round bracket, minus 2 by 3. Round bracket completed. Understood? So in this case, one thing, as I told to you, it is not a compulsion to write down the index form for index form of each and every polynomial. When you have to write down the index form of the polynomial, when there is a missing terms in the polynomial. If no missing terms are there in the polynomial, then you can directly write down the coefficient form. Okay, it is not given in the textbook. For coefficient form, your polynomial must be in the index form first. No, for our convenience, we are writing. For accuracy point of view, you are writing, means before writing the coefficient form, for accuracy point of view, you will write the index form. So there is a less chances to make the mistake. To avoid the mistake, this is the easy way to write down the coefficient form with the help of the index form. Understood?